So good evening guys. In today's video we will discuss about some tricks to analyze the traffic on your sales. So I hope everyone has created their website on Shopify. I gave you some tasks to create the website and send me screenshots or links so that I can review it. And by the way, I will review everything for free. So I think you must have created your website. We did this small website on Men Shaver niche. So I hope you have follow my previous video. If you haven't followed my previous video, I will put the link in the description so you can check it. So I hope everyone is up to date, because if you will not see the part 1, it will be really hard for you to understand this part. So it's better stop this video. If you haven't seen part 1, go to part 1 first, watch the full part, and then you can see this part. So here now we have created the whole Shopify store. Now it comes to the optimization and small tips and tricks which I will be keep sharing with you. So here is the video on how to analyze your traffic. Like, you will see your traffic from where the customers are coming, which regions, where are they losing their interest. So it's better to do practically this now, so you will understand what is I am referring to. So this is our website, this is our Shopify dashboard, this is our email which we created, and this one is the main tool which we will discuss now, which is the magic. I say it magic because you will see whatever your customer is doing on your website with recordings and heat map. It has a paid plan as a free plan. So the free plan has 2000 video recordings, which is enough to analyze your website. So I think we can go through from the starting with the free plan. So we will go to hotjar.com. This is the hotjar.com, and then you can click try it for free. So here you can put anything. I will put my name, and here you can put the email, your email. I hope everyone has bought the domain names and customized the customized domain names with represent to your brand names. Okay, emails for your brand names. Okay, if you want, you can buy the custom email plan from your website, from your domain provider, or if you want, I can give you a trick on how to create custom email domain. Like, for example, this one with like menshaver909.com. This is a custom email, so you can do it in that way, but that is a little bit trickier. It needs a whole video. I will make a whole video for that as well. Okay, so anyways, come back to the I don't know why it's giving me. So let's come back to the point of creating the Hotjar. Okay, so here you can click get started. Here it will ask you for password. So you can just put the password and then click next. So you can select this store owner, no. So you can put your company name here. I will put this Men Shaver 909. Organization size can be like, you can like this 1 to 10 employees, and then you can put this site URL, which is your Shopify URL. Here I did not buy the domain, but you have to buy the domain. You can click and then you can click start using. Hotjar. So now Hotjar is doing its thing. It's creating my account. So you have to do a little bit. It's very easy. I will take you step by step. So it's giving you install with Shopify. Okay, so you can click this button. You can click the installation guide here. So let's get started with the Hotjar installation onto your website. It is a very good way to track your customers. So here is the Hotjar documentation. We will follow this step. Within your Shopify dashboard, click on online store. We will go to online store. Then we will go to actions and then edit code. Here's the actions and here is the edit code. Then we will go to layout, then select theme.liquid. So here it is, or you know what, we can just search theme.liquid here. So here is this theme.liquid. We will click it. Don't get panic, it's just very easy. I will tell you step by step. It's very easy. You don't have to touch the codes and everything. It's very easy. So scroll down the page until you find the tag head. So here is saying scroll down the page until you find tag head. We will find the tag head here. You can also find like this, Control F. Yeah, so here it is. So here, as it is saying, here it is head. So what you will do, you will install your tracking on the header of this. So you will just make a click here. It's better to make two. And then your tracking code, which is this one, you will copy it and then Control C and then Control V. You give another enter here and then you save it. That's it. It's saying asset is saved. So the next step is, see here is showing you have the tracking code here. Save and publish your theme. We will publish later. So on the step 8 is you will open your settings. Then you will go to checkout because we want to track checkout also. And then you will go to the additional script box. This is the additional script box. You will paste it and you will save it. So now everything is saved. let's say if your let's see if your code has been verified or not. You will click here, verify installation. Yeah, and see, Hotjar installation successful. Yeah, and here it will give you all the tracking. Now it's very quick. Let's see if we do something on our website, is showing here or not. Let's open our website here. Let's try to do some browsing. You can go to the product page. You can go click add to cart, then you can close it. Let's see if it's working or not. Normally it's very fast. See, 0 out of 2. You can select the plan also. It's showing trial. You can click here. You can go to plans and billings. So it's showing $89 per month, which we don't need now. So we will go for free plan. You can go for the updated one also. So if you go for 10,000, it will be $29 per month, but if you go for 2,000, it will be cheap. And then you can update it. So yeah, now it will not ask you for any subscription or anything. Yeah, so see, the website is here. See, I visited 6 pages. I will show you how to do the recording, how it is shown here. Yeah, so see, when we toggle, everything is coming here. We go to the product page, we click add to cart, everything will be shown here on this Hotjar. So this is an amazing tool to track your customers. First 2000 recordings are free, so I believe you should to subscribe to this, and it will be an amazing tool for your business also. And after the 2000 recordings, which is so much, I think if it's once it is finished, you can definitely go for the higher one, and I hope by then you will be understanding the customer and you will be able to optimize your landing pages and product pages in a better way, which we will discuss in future videos also. So it's a pleasure to share this amazing magic for your website, which very less people know, and I hope you will enjoy it and you will install on your website as well. Thank you and have a great day.